Greetings everyone. I am Sivaratha Kumar. I am from CSM branch from Team 1. Today our project I would like to explain about our project spam SMS detection. Uh, Before going to explain that, I would like to ask you one question. How many of you believe that spam SMS conversation is important in nowadays?
Anyone try to answer?
Try to answer.
So how many of you believe that SMS communication is important in our daily life?
No?
95%.
No one?
Continue.
Let's continue. The SMS spam prediction is works on first it will collect the data from the spam and non-spam SMSs, and it will uh, remove the unnecessary words in that SMS, and next it will identify the keywords in SMS, and if any keywords is there in spam SMS, it will remove that spam SMS in inbox, and it will remove that spam message from spam folder. And this spam production SMS production is very important today, because it will uh, it will use to everyone for positive.
Yeah. Yeah, as of now, you guys have said about SMS. SMS communication is most important in nowadays life. But there is a high chances of risk due to spam messages and phishing URLs. It's high chances to risk or scam due to that. So that is why we have developed the SMS spam detection. Yeah, it will be currently up to now we are detecting the spam SMSs only. Like we are trained 4 models: logistic regression, SVM, random forest, and Navi-based classifier. We are trained 4 models to detect the spam SMSs. We are providing a option to the user. User can select their model, whatever they want. That is the new feature we are adding to the UI. And user want to select their models to detect their messages. Up to now, it will be detecting accuracy with the 98.3 with SVM. It getting the high accuracy. Why we are training 4 models? Like, if your message should be short, we can use the logistic regression and Navi-based classifier for the short text messages. And more than that, large messages and spam messages are including the URLs and HTTP commands also, right? So it can be detected by using the SVM and random forest. Random forest combines the different types of decision trees with the one algorithm to design the random forest and maximize the output. Next. Yeah, future scope of the project will be explained by our teammate. Normal code explain us.
So basically we have used the 4 models which we trained by hello slide. And we have used different technologies using, you can see here like TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy and etc. We have used many technologies, and after that we have changed the many key technologies like next slide. Key technologies. So here are the 4 technologies where we have used it for this project kill, that is logistic regression, random forest, SVM, and also the naive bias. Like we have trained the models in 4 different ways. Like first we have seen the logistic regression, right? Here it takes the inputs and uses the probability of the estimation whether it is spam or not, and after that random forest, which means it collects all the decision trees like multiple decisions to detect the spam or not, and after that we have used the SVM, which is used for the text, like what is that, it is used for the text, and also naive bias, it is also used for the text like short messages, like it detects the words, and after that there are some future developments in this project, like we are decided to conclude that where we can use this project SMS spam detection for including like by adding another features, what is it, spam emails and also the fake news detections. Like spam emails, where here we can observe that the project is only for SMSs, right? Like the text. But in future, we have to develop like emails also. We want to include the emails which we may detect the spam emails, and it is very useful for us. Like we are about to integrate this project to the messenger apps. Like we can see the Merlin with Chrome, right, which is simultaneously works with the chat gpt or Chrome. In the same way, we are using this project to the messenger app or any something which helps us to detect the emails, text, pictures, whatever it is, to detect the spam or not. And it is
Like-
very useful
Like
for
how
us.
the Google Gmail classified the spam emails into spam folder, like that we are integrating this project into the SMS app to detect and classify the spam messages into spam folder. That is what we are the future scope of this project.
So we conclude that by using this project, you can see this QR code, right, where you can get the full details of our project. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. And here is the QR code. You can scan this also.
If you
And
want to go through the documentation of this project,
yeah.
shall we move to the execution part?
Here we can observe the three models. Like when we select the model, like here we gave the text, right? In this text, we can use the different models. Like I have set the key features, right? 4 types of models. Like select model. So we can see the 4 models. Like here we can select any of the models, and that model trains the message whether it is spam or not. Here we have selected logistic regression, and now detect, and it takes that prediction as spam, which means it is not the original message which we got from the others.
Yeah, up to now this is would be an web application, but in the future scope we need to integrate this an extension for our mobile apps or laptop messages apps. Like any of you give any insights, it will be treasured to our project. It will be help to upgrade it.
And it will also save the history which we have recently searched. So this is our project kill.
If anyone want to give any suggestions or try to improve this, it will be treasured to us. Thank you.